Hi there, welcome to another video. Today we're going to look at a few cases for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe, give us a like and comment. Let us know what you think. So yeah, I have here 5 cases from Spigen and 2 from Caseology. So the ones from Caseology are the Nano Pop, the Athlex from Spigen. This is a wallet type of case. It's called Wallet S Plus. Then we have the liquid crystal thin fit ultra hybrid and tough armor. So we're gonna start from here and we'll end here. So let's just get into it. So the first one, we'll try the Galaxy S24 Ultra Nano Pop from Caseology. So they kindly give us wipes and a cloth. So the case itself looks like this. It says series for Samsung, Caseology in Irvine, California, made in South Korea. Caseology. And that's how it is inside. That's flexible. You have all the required cutouts. Really nice Caseology logo on the side. These are the buttons, they are covered. You can even put like a little strap or lanyard, and all the other cutouts are done properly. The back, it's smooth like this, and it's not a fingerprint magnet, which is good, and that's how it protects the camera. So let's just fit the phone in and see how it looks like. So I usually start with the bottom and then push the top in. Very easy to install, and that's how it is. As you can see, it's definitely, it has a raised edge for protecting the camera lenses and around the lenses. Fits perfectly. All the cutouts are nice done. You can even see the microphone in there, and yeah, it feels good. Wireless charging would work. It doesn't have MagSafe. None of these have MagSafe, but then you can still charge your Samsung buds from the phone or any other device like you're used to. Cool. So let's get further down. Let's see how easy it is to remove as well, because that's important. So I usually go from the bottom again, drag up, boom, perfect. So one done, more to go. So this one, if you've watched my previous videos, you could see that I've used this when I first unboxed the phone. So I do like this case a lot. Therefore, I don't have that. It's no longer brand new. But I'll show you around. Caseology logo. I really like that it doesn't really take any fingerprints. I really like that. And again, this is raised a bit less raised than this one. Actually, it's pretty much the same. So you've probably seen the phone in this one before. It's also very easy to put this case. Look, immediate, and then feels good. Good grip. All the cutouts, buttons are covered. Exactly what you want. And I do like this feel. Cool. So again, this is quite easy to remove as well. Very nice. Really like this at this Caseology cases. So yeah, this one as well. So let's see what's next. So let's try this one from Spigen. I think this one comes with a strap as well. So what you get is a nice strap, and don't think it's leather, but it's close enough to look really nice. Bit on the bulky side, this one, but then you have a place where you can store your card. If you're that kind of person, the nice Spigen logo, good material overall. You can answer the call like this as well, or answer and put this flip flap back. It comes with loads of storage for cards, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and in here as well, and then in there as well. And you can just have this together like that, and that's where the phone goes in. And for the strap, you just put it on like that, I guess. Let's see, I might be wrong. So yeah, let's see how this fits. It's a bit on the scratchy kind of. Actually, no, it went in very smooth. It's just is making the phone a bit bulkier, but it's very elegant. It's also protecting the camera lenses. As you see, it's inside. The top, it's quite exposed, I would say. But then again, this is a bit enlarged. The bottom is exposed as well. And the volume rocker and power also exposed. So, but it's an elegant case. This will come over your screen like that. So if you drop it, it will definitely protect it. And you can also have it closed, and still, you know, you have a cutout for the speaker on the top, and on the bottom is like that. So yeah, let's see how easy it is to remove from this one. Okay, this one, it's a bit kind of like, we worried if I scratch my phone. Hopefully you won't. This titanium is quite good so far. Cool. So that's the wallet case. Let's see what next. So next we're going to look at this liquid crystal case from Spigen. Very minimalistic. And I like that it's gray. What do I say? Is there a stain? So you have a lens screen cleaning wipe. But then this looks like that. It's how do you say this color? Foggy kind of. Air cushion technology on the top. It's quite flexible. Wow. Interesting. That's covered, and you have all the cutouts. Let's see how the phone looks like and how easy it is to wow, this also, it's very easy to install. And you see it has a little grip on the top to hold properly. And look at this, guys, it's like you don't even have a case. Very, very nice. Spigen on the side. Yeah, I'm liking that. That's a really nice case. Again, let's see how easy it is to remove. Yeah, looks very good. Lovely case. That's something I do like. What we have next, this should be very thin, thin fit. So let's see how this one looks like. So this is black and is made of two materials which they bound together. You can actually see the line. So it's very light as well. Something you want, and then some information in there. Buttons are interestingly covered. All the cutouts properly done. You don't have the Spigen logo on the side. You have it in here on the back. And I don't think it's see-through. No, it's not. But it's quite minimalistic. So let's see how would the phone fit. Okay. So yeah, again, looks really nice. Very thin. Perfect cutouts for the buttons. That's really nice and clicky. Again, a bit of a fingerprint magnet, but not too bad. So yeah, let's see how easy it is to remove. Very easy, I would say. Okay, so we have two more left, and I know you guys like that one. I do like it as well. So we're gonna go with the tough Armour. Can definitely see that this is a bit chunkier, but not too much. Definitely will offer some sort of protection, and this is the type where you put this at the end, I think, unless I'm wrong. That's how I remember these ones. Don't really offer any instructions, but I remember back in the day, obviously this one has one of these stands as well, which is really nice. But back in the day, I remember you used to remove this and then add this at the end. I think this is the same case now. So you just put first this rubber case. There should be no problem fitting the phone into that. Yeah, so that's in, and then we just align this other, and then the phone is well protected. As you can see, the camera lenses this time are seriously protected. Even on the front you have that raised, bottom raised. So yeah, and you can have this open and watch a movie, or use your phone. Can you do it like that as well? Not really. It's more for side, for horizontal. But yeah, the buttons are covered really nicely. Again, all the cutouts properly executed, as you can see. Top. Yeah, really nice case. Now let's see how we can remove this, because this might be a bit tricky. I'm just pushing it a bit like that, so I could get a bit of a grip in there. Definitely stays really well on your phone. It's actually very tricky to remove, to be honest. But you're not gonna need to remove it that often. And if you just take your time, you will be able to remove it without any issues, like I did now. So yeah, that's this other case, the Tough Armour. Very nice. That's probably if you really are worried about you know, dropping your phone, or maybe if you work in a construction environment or, you know, other environments. So this is the Ultra Hybrid. So this case has also kind of like sticker, so when you're ready you just remove this. That's there to protect the design, and then inside as well you can remove a sticker before applying it. Then you have Spigen in there, all the cutouts. It's a bit tougher. This one reminds me a bit of this, where is it? Of this one. Pretty similar. It's just like that's a bit more soft. This is not that soft. But otherwise, they look similar. And I think this one is a bit raised, but different case. So let's just fit in without me removing that, because I just we'll start from the top now. See if I can actually do it without. Cool. So that's it's also saying air cushion technology, and this is a really nice and fancy case, I think. You definitely use this if you want to impress your friends or people around you, because it kind of looks like the phone has a clear back, and it looks like everything is exposed, and you can see through the glass back of the phone. Again, the cameras are safe because it has a raised edge, buttons are covered, and yeah, really nice case. So that's the review of the Spigen and Caseology cases I have so far. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, give us a like and comment.